Okay, 3-year update on these enameled cast iron Tramontina brand from Costco. Here's the smaller one, and we'll get over to this one shortly. And then the bigger one here. And I have some extra light so you can kind of see a little better what's going on inside. But there's the lid. Lid's still in very nice shape. And honestly, so is this. We use this for searing a lot. So that's where a lot of this discoloration coming from. And some of this is stuff that'll come off. Some of it's not, though. I won't lie. So there's a pretty good look at the surface after 3 years, and some of this is missing enamel. Some of it some of this could be like just some junk from the last sear, but I would say those are probably areas with missing enamel. The black areas. The dark areas are just discolored. Those black spots are likely missing enamel at this point. But we use it hard, and we misuse it. It is inexpensive. So if you're going to tell me that I misuse it, I agree, and I already know. Okay, so this won't be a long video, but there's no chips. There's no big chips anywhere on these. There's a little bit of a chip right there. And there's a little bit of maybe chipping right there of the enamel. Nothing significant. There might be a couple chips here, and I think there's one more here. And just like a little bit of surface rust that I haven't rubbed off. But they're still used very often, and they still work really well. It's been 2 full years, 2.5 years now, on a gas stove. No, about 1.5 years on gas stove, and it was about 1.5 years on electric coil stoves. So it's kind of gotten both. It honestly still feels pretty smooth in here, even in these discolored areas. So it's still very nice. It cleans up quite easily. This one here is very nice too. I think this one's used more for, let me bring the light over. This one's probably used more for a lower temperature cooking, I'd say. So there, getting down into this one. There's the enamel on this one. Definitely has heat damage, it's thin enamel, but not a lot is missing. This one's probably used less hard, I guess, than this guy here. Oh well, there you go. We'll see you in a year.